Welcome to another episode of JMB Tuning. Sorry, it's been a while since I actually did any videos for you here. I've been pretty busy and with other things in life, basically. Today I have a good video for you, and I would like to introduce the new vehicle that we'll be working on going forward. The old Golf 1.8T is now somewhat retired per se from the modding point of view. I am now hoping to be able to do some work on this new car. It's basically the facelift, 7.5 they call it. It's still fairly similar to the old Golf Rs, except just a few changes to it. As you can see from the back here, they've changed the front look a little bit, the bumper and all that, and of course the rear bumper is also changed in the process. So anyways, this is the new car that I will be working with, and can't wait to get going with this, and we'll go from there.